Good afternoon, class. Today we're going to be going over even and odd and deciding whether a group of objects is even or odd by counting our objects by twos and by also pairing the objects together. If they're even, we're going to write an equation that expresses this even number. So to start, let's just do some counting. So we have some stars here, and we're just going to count by 1 to start with. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 20 stars. 20 stars all together. So now we're going to count by 2. So we're going to count them like this. The 2 on top of each other, one above the other. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So we have 20 stars all together. So that's what we're going to do in class. We're going to be counting our objects by ones, by pairing them, and counting by twos. So let's get started. Alright, so we have even numbers. Even numbers, if we're talking about 1 through 20, are going to include 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. And these numbers are even because they have a pair. They have a friend. They can be grouped together in pairs of 2. So here we're going to look at some circles. We have 1 circle. Now we have 2 circles. And you see how when we just have 1, that circle's all by itself and it doesn't have a friend. So to make it an even number, we give it a friend. So now we have 2 circles. 1, 2. 2 circles. And if we add another one, this circle is missing its friend. So we're going to give it another one. And now these are friends and these are friends. So we have 2, 4. 4 is even because all the circles have their own personal friend. And you can continue this on and on and on. Let's count these and see how many we have now. We're going to count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We have 12 circles. We know that 12 is even because each circle has its own friend. You all see how each circle has its own friend? Right? Alright, now let's look at odd numbers. Odd numbers, when we're talking about 1 through 20, are going to be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. Alright, so here we have 1 circle. 1 circle all by itself. And we know that it's odd because it doesn't have a friend. It's all by itself. We add 1, and now it has 2, which is even because it has a friend. 3, we know 3 is odd because this circle doesn't have a friend. It's all by itself. Now let's count how many circles we have now. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9 is odd because this circle is all by itself. It doesn't have a friend. Alright, so now we're going to look at this problem. And we're going to see and we're going to decide if it's even or odd. So let's count. We're going to have diamonds, so we're going to count them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15 diamonds. Now we have to decide if 215 is even or odd. And to do that, we're going to pair our diamonds up with friends. Alright, so these two are friends, these two are friends, and these two are friends, and these two are friends, and these two are friends, these two are friends, and these two are friends. But we have one diamond that doesn't have a friend. So that means that 15 is odd because one diamond is all alone. Right? Again, we're going to decide is the number of objects we're given even or odd. So we're going to start by counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 objects. We have 12 objects. So we have to decide is this even or odd. If we put these two in a group, and 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 these two in a group. So it looks like it's even because everyone has a partner, right? Right. So it's even. Now, since it's even, we want to write an equation that shows that it's even. So how can we do that? What we're going to do is we're going to break these clouds into two even groups. So we notice that our clouds are in rows. They have 3 in each row and 4 in each column. So let's take, since there's 4 rows, we're going to take and split them in 2. And so, that's 2 rows, and this is 2 rows. And let's see how many clouds we have in our first big circle here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 clouds in this one. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we broke it into 2 even groups. So we got 6 and 6. So what we can do is we can say 6 plus 6 gives us 12. And that's how you break the even numbers into even groups to write a sentence, addition sentence. Alright. So for tomorrow, what we're going to do is we're going to do an even or odd worksheet where you're going to do problems similar to what we just went over. And then after that, we're going to do an even or odd activity using your blocks. Alright, I'll see y'all tomorrow, and y'all have a good rest of your day.